and then we have nice job, this propeller shaft bolts removal, and these are really these bolts in here, 3 pieces, and there is this propeller shaft elastic part what we can replace also if we like to do that job. And this job is easy job. We need only two 16mm these spanners what we install in that way, and second it is in this another way in this back area in here, and we have to only install these just suitable positions now, and then we have to only open these bolts in that way that we let's see that they are tight. But if I open this, and there is not so much space, and now I need in here a little bit extension and more force that I can open this bolt, that bolt, and in here up area third one. And let's look at how I open these bolts soon. Okay, and now we can see when I take letter close and more force that this bolt opens in that way, and then I need to only take this all 3 bolts free. This is also now loosened, and now I take these bolts away, and then we can see that what we do next. Okay, and now when I have worked in a little bit, I can take and I can open these bolts. Look, bolts and nut. There is nut, and we open, and these are really special parts, very high quality durable steel bolts made in Germany. And now I can open this all 3, and I can rotate that little bit, and there is this final one in here. Good. And I have already removed these 2 nuts, 3 bolts, and next we have this propeller shaft disassemble between that joint. And next part is to take out this propeller shaft and this rubber this pad, and we need flathead screwdriver, and when we carefully we bend this side area in here in that way, this propeller shaft moves in back, and soon it drops. And now it is actually very nicely. Okay, now it's free. Excellent. Now it's free. Good. And we can go to next part. Our next part is to take out these gearbox rubber mountings, 2 bolts in here. They are 13mm nuts in here and in here. And I take my spanner. Okay, and there is really my 13mm spanner, and when I install this tool in here, and an opening direction is in that way, I can open this bolt, and in here is similar in that side, and these are easy to open. Now it's good engineering. And in here, when I rotate a little bit, these bolts, this looks like, soon it opens, and it looks like that. It is special bolt. Now it is easy to see. Okay, and I take that another one also away, and then this job is ready.